Question number 2, find the second derivative for each of the following function. So this one, we have the uv here. So y equal to uv. Then the differentiation will be the uv plus the vu prime. So dy dx here will be the 2x 3 4 minus x to the power 2 times negative 1 plus 4 minus x to the power 3 times 2. So we can factorize the 2, 4 minus x, okay, to the power 2. Then we have the negative 3x plus the 4 minus x. Okay, so over here, what we do is we factorize the 2 and the 2 here, then we have the 2 here. And then this one, 4 minus x squared, we can factorize. So this one is actually something like this. We can separate this into two parts. One is the 4 minus x squared multiplied with the 4 minus x. So what we left inside will be negative 3x plus 4 minus x. So this part will be negative 3x plus 4 minus x. So this will be the 4 minus 4x and then 4 1 minus x. So this will become 8 1 minus x and then 4 minus x squared. Okay, so for this one we want to find the second derivative. So it will be the 8 1 minus x 2 4 minus x to the power 1 negative 1 plus the 4 minus x to the power 2, and then this will be 8 minus 8x is negative 8. Okay, so this is 8 minus 8x, so differentiate will be negative 8. Yeah. Okay, so this one we factorize the negative 8, 4 minus 8, then we have the 2 1 minus x plus 4 minus x. Okay, so this is 2 minus 2x plus 4 minus x, then 6 minus 3x, then it's 3 2 minus x. So it will be negative 28. So this will be negative 28, 2 minus x, and then 4 minus x. Okay, that. Next, we have the y equal to u over v. Then the dy dx will be the vu prime minus the uv prime over v squared. So we have the v here, v. So this one, the dy dx will be the x power half negative 3 minus 1 minus 3x half x power negative half, and the whole thing divided by the x to the power half and squared. So this cancel. Okay, then what next will be we multiply with the x to the power half, 2x to the power half, then it will become negative 6x and then minus 1 plus 3x, and then over this will be the 2x power 1 3 over 2. Okay, so this will be the negative 1 minus 3x over 2x power 2x power 3 over 2. Okay, so we differentiate again. Then we have the 2x power 3 over 2 times negative 3 minus the negative 1 minus 3x. And then this will be the 2 times 3 over 2x power 1 over 2. Okay, and then divide by this. This is the uh 2x power 3 over 2 square. Okay, so this one we can cancel. We multiply, so we divide by x power half. This one also divide by x power half. Okay, so this is actually 4x power 3. Okay, yeah. So we will have the negative 6x and then minus 3. Now this one divided by this one cancel. Negative 1 minus 3x. And the whole thing divided by the 4x power 5 over 2. Okay. And this will be the negative 6x plus 3 plus 9x. So it will become the this will become 3x plus 3. And we can factorize the 3. Then this will become 3x plus 1. And the whole thing divided by the 4x power 5 over 2. Yeah, correct. So this one we also use the quotient rule. So the dy dx will be the 3x plus 1 multiplied by 3 minus the 2x plus 1 multiplied by 3. And then the whole thing divided by the 3x plus 1 square. So this one it will become 6x plus 2 minus 6x minus 3. So 6x minus 6x cancel. Then we will have the negative 1 over the 3x plus 1 square. So for this one, it is the constant here. So we no need to use the chain rules for the second derivative. We can rewrite this as negative 3x plus 1 to the power negative 2. So the second derivative will be the 2 3x plus 1 to the power negative 3 times 3. So it's 6 3x plus 1 to the power of negative 3. Then it is 6 3x plus 1 to the power 3. So if this one we use the quotient rules, this formula, okay, this formula, okay, at the end, the final answer that we get will still this one. But use the chain rule will be easier. So D, we have to use the quotient rules. So the dy dx will be the x minus 1 squared times 2x minus the 2x minus 1 and then 2x and no, this is the uh v u prime minus the x squared plus 2 x minus 1 to the power 1 times 1 and the whole thing divided by the x minus 1 to the power 4. So for this one is x minus 1 we factorize 2x minus 1 Okay, then what we left in front will be the x times x minus 1. And we left behind is minus the x squared plus 2. So this will be the 2x minus 1, x squared minus x squared minus 2. So x squared minus x squared cancel. Okay, then we can have the negative 2x minus 1 x plus 2. Okay, oh man, this is not easy, man. The x minus 1 can cancel with x minus 1 here. So we have the negative 2x plus 2 and the whole thing divided by the x minus 1 to the power of 3. So if you don't know what happened here, I can write one more step. That is negative 2x minus 1 x plus 2 and over the x minus 1 to the power of 4. Then it's cancelled. Then what we will have will be this one. Negative 2 mm, x plus 2 x minus 1 to the power 3. Okay. So next we want to find the second derivative. So d2y dx squared will be the x minus 1 to the power 3 and then negative 2 minus the negative 2x plus 2 3 x minus 1 squared times 1 and the whole thing divided by the x minus 1 to the power of 6. Okay, we square this one, then will become power 6. Then the x minus 1 square can be factorized. And then we have the 2 also can be factorized. Then what left is negative x minus 1. And then minus plus, then plus 3 x plus 2. And the whole thing divided by the x minus 1 to the power of 6. And this one can be cancelled. And this will be negative x plus 1 plus 3x plus 6. So this will be 2x plus 7. Okay, so it will become 2 2x plus 7 over the uh, x minus 1 to the power of 4. Okay, that. So for this one, we can write as x power negative 1 plus x power negative 2. So dy dx will be negative x power negative 2 minus 2x power negative 3. Then the second derivative will be the 2, okay, plus 2 x power negative 3 plus 6 x power negative 4. So this one is also equal to 2 over x cubed plus 6 over x power 4. So we multiply with x here, then this will be the 2x plus 6 over x power 4. Then it's 2x plus 3, we factorize, and then x power 4. So normally if the equation can be factorized, I will do the factorization so that to show to the teacher that I do the factorize and then it cannot be cancelled and simplified. Okay. This one is the 4x plus 3 to the power half. So the dy dx will be the half 4x plus 3 to the power negative half times 4. So it will be the 2 4x plus 3 to the power negative half. Then the second derivative will be the 2 times negative half 4x plus 3 to the power negative 3 over 2 times 4. So it's negative 4. 4x plus 3 to the power negative 3 over 2 is negative 4. And then over x plus 3 to the power of 3 over 2. Okay. Or I will prefer to write this way. The square root of x plus 3 cubed. Yeah, correct. That.